If shoppers are abandoning checkout on your Shopify store, enabling Shop Pay and Express checkout options can significantly reduce friction. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Settings, then click on Payments. Under Shopify Payments, select Manage and make sure Shopify Payments is activated. From there, enable Shop Pay so customers can use saved payment and shipping details for faster checkout. Also confirm that Express checkout options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or other supported wallets are turned on. Save your changes once everything is enabled. After that, go to Online Store, open Themes, and click Customize. Navigate to the checkout preview to confirm that Shop Pay and Express checkout buttons are visible and positioned correctly for customers to use. Once these options are enabled, customers can check out faster with fewer steps, which helps improve conversions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.